Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us bear. Very simple. It's like a cute bear, more like an Among Us teddy bear. So I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker, and I'm going to be using very simple computer paper. The same stuff you pull right out of the printer. Very, very easy. Like I said, so if you're a beginner, you haven't drawn anything, you will absolutely be able to draw this. But yeah, also it's short. I'm going to keep this below 10 minutes because we're all busy and we all got stuff to do. So what else before that? Subscribe. Now's the point where you should subscribe, because if you like simple, quick drawing lessons and direct for beginners, I post every single day. And what that does is when you subscribe and click the bell notification, it's going to give you choice. Essentially, when you're scrolling your feed, when you see 20 or 30 thumbnails, I'm going to be one of those thumbnails. And then you're going to be like, oh, cool. If you see it, you'll be like, oh, I want to draw that today. Or you'll see it and you'll be like, nah, I don't want to draw. I don't want to draw that today, whatever that may be. I draw everything imaginable, like every cartoon, so you don't want to miss it. Click, remember, the subscribe and the bell notification. Let's jump in. Curve here for essentially the visor of the crewmate. You're going to curve over here on this side as well. So I've been kind of toying with over here as well. I've been toying with the idea. There's a video I want to make, and I don't know if I want to do it because it's pretty hard, but let me know if you do want to see it. But it's going to be how to draw 100 different versions of the crewmates. And so what I would do, or maybe the imposter, but I would not do like the usual stuff like like the Goku crewmate or something. I would take the same design and warp it and change it and try to make like weird versions off of the base design, not so much bringing in like another property. Let me know if you do want to see that, because I would do like 50 or 100. I'm not sure. I think I'll do 50 because 100's crazy. I'd probably be dying, but we'll see. I'll probably be like exhausted from the video game and stuff. So all right, we're gonna go over here, top of the forehead, keep curving over here for the top of the head. Continue to curve, and now what you're going to do is going to shoot all the way down to the leg. Right here. I'm going to make it a little bit squattier than normal, because I think making it a little bit squattier can make it a little bit cuter. If you're looking at cute stuff, go to the description. I have a cute drawing ebook there. It's completely free. I talk about how cuteness and proportion are tied together and why it's so important. That's like the key. It's totally free right now. That you would curve down here to the front. There's a little bit of a curve. Sometimes you can just draw it straight down, and that's fine too. Alrighty. Curving here for the bottom of the foot, and curving here for the bottom of the foot on this side. Straight up. Line over here. Line over here. So now I have the bottom of the body. Alright, you there so far? Cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find the halfway point between this and this. So right in the middle of that. And I'm going to hover this. I'm not going to touch. And I'm going to move it back here. I'm going to mark the top. That's going to be the top of my backpack. The bottom of my backpack is going to be around the waist level of his waist. And so I got that. Now I can draw his backpack. A little bump there. Don't worry about that. I'll fix that in a bit. Alright. Let's do the teddy bear ears. Curve here on one side. Curve here on the other. Curve here. Curve here. So you're putting that smaller curve, right? The inside of the teddy bear ears. Over here, we're going to have his hand sticking out. And what is he going to have in his hand? Nothing. Probably nothing. I think I'm just going to have nothing. I was going to put like the knife, but then I'm just going to say that would make him the imposter. And I don't want to make him the imposter. So he just has his hand sticking out, like hello, or whatever. So, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna put a thicker line around the entire outside. And the reason I do that is because it makes it look like a sticker, it makes it look cuter in my opinion. Just a style thing, you don't have to do it. So, you know what I mean? Just saying, you don't have to do it. I'm gonna do it though. While I'm doing this, I'll talk to you a little bit more. If you're interested in drawing realistic art, like you're really gonna jump into drawing realistic everything also, and you wanna be able to do that, go to my Skillshare, it's in the description there. There's a lot of goodies in the description, like other playlists, but the thing is, on my Skillshare, I go over how to draw like a dragon, how to go over realistic anatomy on every body part. Like I'll go like the hands, you know, there's a hands drawing program on there that's really popular. There is, you know, the chest, how do you draw the, like all this stuff, and there's a lot of goodies on there if you're looking to draw, because all of that is aimed at beginners. Even though it is longer, all that stuff's like an hour, but it's all for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you want to get into more realistic drawing, go do that right now, like right after this. The other reason for that is it's also free. When you sign up through that link I gave you, I believe you get 2 months free of Skillshare, which is essentially opens you up the same way it does, like it's almost like another YouTube. The difference is over there, they do a lot more. I'm gonna fix the lines here. Something's bugging me about the lines. I'm gonna shape them out a little more. The difference is that on Skillshare, they do way more quality control. So if they don't like it, for example, they're like, this is just not good enough, they'll delete it, and without even telling you. So they're very big on quality control, where I know YouTube's not like that. YouTube is more like if you break policy or something, but they'll like delete it. But this one's different. This one's more like, Skillshare is more like, hey, we're gonna, no, you know, like we don't like this, out. But yeah, other than that, check out the playlist on cute stuff if you want that. That's free, because I like cute stuff. Oh, actually, there's one more thing I want to do here. I'm gonna go over here and draw a nose. I'm gonna fill that in. Go over here, draw a circle around there. Draw a line down from that nose. And draw a line there. So now it looks way more like a teddy bear, in my opinion. And if you want, you can throw the other arm over here, because, you know, he does have that arm sticking out. I guess for this version, we'll draw that arm. And that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. My name's Enrique. Please do me a huge favor. If you're listening to my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments by name. Say, hey, Enrique, what's up? How's it going? Thank you. I liked it, or whatever, you know. Let me know. I'm very reachable. That's pretty much it. Thank you, Easies. You are amazing. Everybody's so nice to me here. And I hope to be doing this, like I've been doing it for 7 years. I hope to keep doing it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. This has been Easy Pictures to Draw. Later.